Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising. So let's see, what's the energy? Energy update, August 16 to 31, 2026, general reading. So pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay, Libra. What's the energy? Libra. Okay. Teaching and learning. Oh, you are sharing your knowledge. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong teaching capabilities. Oo. Maaring yun yung trabaho nyo, career path nyo. You are teaching, coaching, training other people. And at the same time, you are also upgrading. You are learning. You are following your dream. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring ito yung pangarap ninyo na makapag-share ng knowledge and skills sa iba. Yes. Oh, change. Love this. So, may malaking pagbabago. You are aligning yourself to your dreams. Okay? And yung dreams mo na yan, maaring yung pamamaraan ng pag-share share ng iba, share sa iba ng mga alam mo. Mm-mm. That's part of the change na susubukan mo ngayong second half ng August. And then your overall energy, the Knight of Pentacles, you focus on stability, focus on investment. So maaring meron kang pag-aaralan related sa investment, money, kaperahan. The Nine of Wands is your challenge. Minsan you feel like parang walang support, no, sa paligid mo. Feeling mo ikaw lang mag-isa. Walang tumutulong. But it's alright kasi you have all the strength that you need. Don't worry. Kasi hindi naman talaga madali na i-follow yung ating mga pangarap. Ang importante, hindi ka sumusuko at patuloy yung paniniwala mo sa sarili mo. Now, your opportunity, the Fool. Oh my God. So, yung iba sa inyo, kayo ay magte-take ng risk. Kumbaga, susugal kayo sa buhay. Susugal kayo sa inyong mga sarili. Susugal kayo sa inyong pangarap. Okay? Huwag matakot. You're focusing on your desires. You're taking a leap of faith. Now, the blessing is, of course, this is about abundance, may celebration. You will gain new friends, connections that will help you grow, that will help you build the life that you want. May celebration. May accomplishment. Okay, money, career, finances, the star. Oh my God. So, the star is your dreams. Yung ba sa inyo, yung inyong pangarap, aspirations, sa inyong trabaho, career, or business, is doing good. Kumbaga, nandun kayo, you are right on track. Or yung iba sa inyo, mas nabubuo sa inyo ngayon yung inspirasyon na magpatuloy at to pa rin yung mga pangarap niyo. Sa love life naman, you have the Queen of Wands. So, this is an energy of someone na gusto niya may kalayaan siyang magawa yung gusto niya. So, whether you are in a relationship or not, you know how to set boundaries. Alam mo na may mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin on your own at meron namang kailangan kasama yung partner mo. Or kung wala kang partner, edi kung sino man ang mahal mo sa buhay. But I see this as someone na merong lakas ng loob, and also leadership qualities pagdating sa family. So, maaring iba sa inyo, kayo ay breadwinner or someone na inaasahan sa family, supporting your family. You take control of your own narrative. Yes. So, gaya nga ng nabanggit ko ba yun? Hindi ka na control sa iniisip ng ibang tao. Magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong paninindigan para magawa yung gusto mo at i-pursue yung gusto mo You will not let anyone control you because you have the power to do anything for your dreams. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.